Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Aditi and I really hope you guys are doing awesome. So today I'm going to create this look which is not really usual. It is an unusual makeup look and I have played with yellow and brown color, and recently I've been loving yellow color the most. And yeah, my background has also been changed, so I really hope you guys like this background, and if yes, then do comments below and let me know whether you like it or not. And if you want to know how I created this look, then please continue watching this video. So first I'm going to prime my eyes, and for that I'm using this concealer. This is LA Girl Pro HD Conceal, and I am applying it as my primer, or you can say my eyeshadow base. And now setting this base with the help of a loose powder. Now for this colorful eyeshadow, I am taking this brush which is like a little pointed and has a sharp tip, and going to create my crease with this. And for that I am using this brown color here to create my crease line. Now taking a blending brush, I am blending it to avoid any sharp lines. And now taking a little bit of brown color, I am filling it to the mid of my eyelid. Perfect. And now I am going to again create my crease line with the same angular brush to make it more defined. And now with this beauty and using this shade, this is like a little warm yellow shade, and I'm going to fill it in my inner corners to the mid-lid of my eye. Okay, so I'm going to use this makeup fixer on this brush so that it picks a good amount of eyeshadow. Now using a blending brush, I'm going to blend it to avoid any sharp line. Alright, so for now eyes are done, and now I am jumping onto my face. For my face I am first going to moisturize it using this argan oil. And now for foundation, I am using both these foundation. This is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and this is the Makeup Revolution Stick foundation in the shade F6. So I am going to mix both of these foundations to get my color. So I'm not going to use it much because I have to mix my Revolution foundation also. So that's it. For concealer, I am using this Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. And now to mattify my face, I am using time my eyes are baking, I'm going to shape my brows, and for that I'm going to use this Nika eyebrow pencil and quickly get done my brows. So and now getting the same color to my waterline. And now I'm going to apply some eyeliner. Now I'm going to apply some white kajal into my waterline, and for that I'm using and now for contouring I'm using Now it's time for the blush, and for that I'm using the Nika Duo blush, and I'm going to use both these colors. So now it's time for the mascara, and for that I'm using this Lash Sensational mascara from Maybelline. And now to complete this look, I want some falsies, so I'll just be right back. Alright, so now I got my falsies on, and now it's time for the lips. And because I have such bold eyes today and wearing falsies as well, so I'm going in with some nude color. So for that I am going in with the Nika nude color. That's my recent purchase as well. So I just love the packaging, and so it is the color Grace from Nika Ultra Matte Lipsticks. The fact that I love the most about this lipstick is that it has a magnetic cap. And now to melt the every product, I'm using this makeup fixer. And now to highlight my brow bone, I'm using this highlighter from Jaclyn Hill palette. And I'm using the same highlighter for my inner corners as well. So that's it with this look, and I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this unusual tutorial. And if you like this video, then please give it a hit button, and yeah, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet. I'll see you in my next video.